Ready to transform your TikTok presence from a casual user to a brand-building business powerhouse? First, make sure you already have a TikTok account. If not, download the TikTok app from your app store. It's free. Now, open the app and tap the profile icon, located at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open up the settings. From the settings menu, select Manage Account. You'll see an option that says, Switch to Business Account. Tap on that. Now, TikTok will prompt you to choose a category that best describes your business. Browse the categories and select the one that fits your brand. There's a wide array to choose from. Time to customize. You'll now be prompted to fill out some essential information. This includes your business email, website address, and a brief description of your business or brand. This info helps your audience find you. Once that's filled out, congratulations, you now have a TikTok business account. Access the Analytics tab located on your profile page. Here you can track video views, follower growth, and other crucial metrics to understand your audience and content performance. Explore the Promote feature to easily create ads and target specific audiences, vastly expanding your reach with strategic campaigns. Benefit from enhanced creator tools like comment filtering to manage conversations, and a contact button, making it easier than ever for potential customers to connect with your brand directly. Now you are ready to conquer TikTok marketing.